What's going on, YouTube? We got a project here today. We're gonna be doing a few things, but I wanted to show you guys this. This is something that I did a few days ago, which is fixing that leak that this valve cover had. And so after a few days of running, I don't see any more oil drips coming from there, from underneath. So it looked like that gasket sealant that I put in worked out just fine. That was an easy fix. So if you guys are watching that video, it doesn't really take that long to do. So yeah, I just wanted to recap on that. So today, my daughter is going to be the one who's going to be working on her car, and I'm going to try to shoot a video of it too. So one of them is this. It looks like she has a rock or a pebble stuck in her brake pad, which is carving out this right here. Can you guys see that? No, not really. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's carving out that line right there. She's gonna be taking off this wheel, taking out the brake pads, and then try to dislodge that something is stuck in there. But that should be a quick and easy one. And then after that, she's going to be moving on to something else, replacing her driver's side axle. So she's going to be replacing her driver's side axle, which is currently has a grinding noise to it when you're making a turn. So when she's making a right turn, or just slightly have the wheel turned to the right, you can hear this grinding, rotating noise coming from underneath. And so I assume that's what that is, that it's the driver's side axle. So we're gonna be also tackling that today. So yeah, alright guys, we're gonna go and try to get everything put together, get all the tools that we need, and then get started. Alright guys, so I'm back now. This side right here is already put back and done. Yeah, I think there was something that was lodged in the brake pads, and so we took it off, and now it's put back in. It should be good now. As far as drive axle, this is how far she's gotten already. She took off the wheel. She's got the axle out, not completely, but I told her she needs to go hammer out the other side. So the intermediate axle, that one needs to get hammered towards this way to get that thing off. Let me see. Yeah, so that's how far she's gotten on this one already. Alright guys, so the old axle is out and the new axle is in. This is what the old one looked like. I don't know. It shows a little bit of wear, but it probably sounds worse when you're driving it. So that's the reason why we're replacing it with this new one. Now it's about just aligning this new axle back. So we're almost done. Alright, so we got this bolt in, a little 14-inch bolt right there. That one you need the nut. Put the nut back in on that 17. It's a 17. And then you need the 17-inch wrench. Okay. Yeah, that one.
Why does it look too big?
Yeah, that's right. So hold the 17 on one side, right? This one. Okay, so now the castle nut right there at the bottom, it's already in there. You just need to
It's the thing.
tighten that one, huh?
You don't have the pin.
Yeah.
Flew over there.
Yeah, the pin flew. Let me go get that. Oops.
I don't even know where it went.
No, I know where it went. The little pin thing right there.
I don't know where the bolt went.
It's in the thing already. It's on the bolt already. The nut's already on there. Bless you. Yeah, you gotta straighten that out a little bit.
Like that?
Yeah, okay. That's alright. That's good. Alright, the castle nut's already on there. That's a 17.
So what do I do now?
Tighten it. Tighten it.
With this?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
No, you're going left.
That?
Yeah. Oh, it's not on there flat now. No, it's on there crooked. Take it off. You see? Wait a minute. see the thread on that. Okay. Use that impact gun. Impact gun. Yeah, there.
This way?
Mm-hmm. Make sure it's on straight. You go. You go. Okay. Now you gotta do it manually. Manually. 17. Yeah, you can use that.
Wait, this way,
Yep.
right?
The same way. But you gotta find the hole where you stick the pin in. You gotta look at it.
I think that's it.
I'm saying you gotta find the hole where you can stick the pin in.
I don't even know where it went.
So look at the thing. And then you have to find the hole to stick the pin in. Yeah. There you go.
Right?
Yeah. But you gotta bend that pin.
Back?
Yeah. You gotta bend it. This one. Yeah, that's it. Just bend one.
Towards me or that
It
one?
doesn't matter. Just bend it. Okay.
Did I do it?
A little bit more. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So now, you gotta use the 36 for that. The 36 is already on the DeWalt impact gun. Put that on number 3. Yep. Right. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay.
Isn't this supposed to be longer?
No. Well, you can use this. Yeah. That's a breaker bar. Put that on the thing. The socket. Oh, you're not gonna be able to tighten it because the wheel is on off. So I doubt it. You're not gonna be able to turn that. Yeah, that's okay. So just put the wheels and everything back on, and we can do that one last.
Yes.
Yeah. So just put the wheel back on. That's it. Alright guys, so my daughter put everything back together. I didn't get a video of her putting everything back in. For some reason my camera was like overheated or something like that. It's kind of hot as hell today. So I think she did a great job getting everything out, putting everything back in. And we just got back at test driving the car, and that grinding noise is definitely gone. So there's no more like that, like you're on a gravel, you know, when you're driving, no, type of noise. So what I guess was right, that it was the driver's side axle. So if you guys were looking to do some work on your axles, one thing I found out is if you're turning slightly to the right and it's making a noise, then it's your driver's side. If you're turning left, it'll be your passenger side. So that might not be 100%, but about 80%. That's the side that it's that needs to be replaced. So when you're turning right, driver's side. When you're turning left, passenger side. And I think that has to do with the axles. You know, when it turns to the opposite direction, it expands. So if you're gonna get some grinding noises, it'd be when it's expanded. But yeah, overall I think we're good. We're done with this. And like I said, you know, my daughter did most of the work to it. Just too bad I didn't get to shoot all the video when she was doing it. But overall, I think it's a good thing that we replaced it. I feel much safer with her driving it now than before. So I know she was putting up with it for a few weeks, if not about a month. So that's something I wanted to tackle as soon as possible. Now the axle, we just ordered it from Amazon, and it came out to $55 for the axle, which is not bad. I think AutoZone was charging 72 to $75 for the same part. So we got it cheaper from Amazon. But yeah, alright guys, that's about it for today. Hopefully you guys got to see what you guys were looking for as far as changing out the axle. Yeah, and that's it. Alright guys, later.